Okay, so now can you hear me?
I can hear you, yes.
Okay, so hello, my name is Tasneem, and today we're here to talk about your YouTube channel, right?
That's correct.
Okay, so please tell me about you more. Like, what is your end goal in YouTube? I mean, what do you want to do? What's what are your likings and dislikings and all these things?
Okay. Um, I want I love to travel. That's my passion is traveling and seeing the
Mm-hmm.
world. So I
Okay,
want to show people where I go. Because I'm always traveling somewhere. State parks, national parks, international. So I fly. I'm a world traveler. So I can share tips with people. That's kind of what I want to do is, if you're a frequent flyer, you learn tricks. You know how to save
that
money
is
doing it.
amazing. You got a lot
Yes,
of inside information about flights and all, right?
exactly. Yes.
Yeah, that is
And the
amazing.
top to top that, my mom has dementia. She's had dementia for over a decade.
Oh.
She travels with me. So if I can travel with someone with dementia, have them fly internationally across the pond, as we call it, from US to Europe, I got to know a little bit about dementia, how to manage my mom.
Mm-hmm. That is amazing. There are very few people who can afford to like travel like that. Time is an issue. Sometimes finances are issues. So it will be a very helpful niche that you have chosen. To people that they
Well,
will
that's
get insider informations about the flights and maybe some hotels and these tourism places and all. Yeah, that is amazing.
Yes, I won't. That's how come I call myself a duchess, gallivanting like a royal. Is because I travel, but I travel on a budget. Because, like you said,
Oh,
traveling is expensive. So I have found ways to travel cheap and free, and I want to
no.
share it.
That is very amazing. Yeah. So that niche you have chosen, that is amazing. Let me just have a look at your channel once. I have already looked into it, but let me get a deeper look.
Okay,
Okay, so I can see your channel. You got 121 videos and got 1,850 subscribers. Am I right?
that's right. And the reason that the subscribers are growing, I'm running an ad right now promoting my video, how to travel for free and cheap.
Probably this is the reason you're not getting, the watch times. You're only getting the subscribers. Am I right?
Yeah, well, I just started the video. I just started it yesterday.
Oh,
Yeah. So
okay.
I need to find a way to get views and engagement. I mean, this is going to get me
Mhm.
some views on that one video. And the reason I chose that one video is I also have a book. I'll show it to you.
Yeah, sure. I would love to see that.
Actually, I have 5 books, but here's the one on travel. Well, wait a minute. You can't see it because I got that photo thing. Let me see how we can
Mm.
do this.
Okay, so you have, just okay, okay. Don't worry, you can send me the pictures later. Don't worry. And
Yes,
I would
yes.
love to see
Yes.
that book.
Yes, I have books on money to help people with the mindset of how to afford travel. I have books on travel, how to travel as a budget person, and I have a book on dementia with how I travel with my mom on traveling with her.
That is a great thing you're doing, helping people. Your books will be helpful for many travelers and also your insight tips. So yeah, what we were talking about, it's your YouTube channel. So basically, you make videos for your travels. You would give tips to people that how can they get those inside informations, what kind of tourist places are best, and how can we go there, and all these things, right?
That's correct.
So yeah, this is a very trending niche. People likes traveler very much because, as you know, not everyone can travel. Let's say I have the money right now to travel, but I don't have the time. Maybe someone
See,
has
that's
time,
it.
but someone
Don't have
doesn't
the
have the
money.
money.
Yeah.
So this is something that those kind of people are really always enjoying watching travel videos. Like me, every day I watch some travel video. Let's say there is a guy called Dhruv Rathi, and there are some other travelers who used to just travel, and we see them and we feel like, yeah, hey, they are traveling. So it feels like we are also traveling. So we can see a lot of things and we get to know a lot of things. Let's say the knowledge I
Exactly.
have today, I get those knowledge from the videos on YouTube. Maybe someone is traveling, or maybe someone is talking about finance or something like that. So yeah, it's a great thing. So what we can do, Currently, as I can see that your videos are not really optimized, although the qualities are good, the informations are valuable. That is a fantastic thing you're doing. But the core part, YouTube understands data, right? So
Exactly.
YouTube needs to understand what kind of videos you're making, what kind of audience are supposed to like or watch your videos, and we have to do that. We have to align your audience to your videos through data. So we have to
Right.
feed data to the backend of your channel, to the backends of your videos, and by doing those optimization, we can increase the visibility. And again, I'm saying visibility, not views. When we're going for views, it gives a certain amount of views. Let's say for ad, it gives us view. But when we're doing SEO, I mean optimization, search engine optimization, sorry, so
That's okay.
it gives a compound effect. Let's say if we're doing, let's 30-40 videos, so it will work on all those 30-40 videos at the same time, so you'll get a compound effect. It's like investing in a bank account for a longer period of time. So what happens after reaching to a certain time or a value, the value increases a lot. So AC
Okay.
also works like that. So yeah, that thing we can do. We can start optimizing your channel for you. And I think within 6 to 8 weeks, you will be able to see the results. And we have to do it
Okay.
consistently. That is very, important. And YouTube likes consistency a lot, whether it is about SEO or it is about uploading videos.
Right.
Do you have any
So can
questions for
you
me?
work with the videos? Can you work with videos that I already have, or I have to create new videos?
No, no, the existing videos only we will be able to work. Once you upload a new video, we will immediately start working on them. But we have to go through, maybe we can do multiple things. Let's say if you want, we can start from the oldest ones, which I will never recommend. My recommendation is let's split some videos. First we will try some latest. Let's say we're doing 10 videos right now. Like, let's say
Okay.
we're doing 10 videos for a week now, or 30 videos for a month. So what we'll do, we will select 10 famous videos, and we will select 10 or 15 recent videos, and we will start optimizing them, and then I'll analyze then how audience are behaving and what are their interests. We will do a research, we will analyze them, and we will optimize again according to that.
Okay. And when you do this, you get engagement. I tell you, we can easily run an ad and get the views, but when you
Yeah,
do the SEO, that's when you get the engagement, correct?
no, that's when we get the visibility, and through visibility we get the engagements.
Okay.
Because see, let me just show you my phone. Let's say most of the travel videos, how do we find them? Let's say this is a YouTube account I just made recently, so you will not be able to see. Right now, this is a video about how YouTube SEO works, because I am a professional, so I search this kind of video. So
Right.
yeah, then again, I search when I'm scrolling down, what kind of videos YouTube is showing me. The videos I regularly watch. Let's say I love travel videos. So what I will do, I will search a few videos, and YouTube will start pushing all other travel videos to me, right? But
Right.
how YouTube will understand that this video is about travel, or this video is about tourism? It understands through data and machine learning. So the current method what your YouTube is using in your case, that is machine learning. Okay, so what we
Right.
will do, we will help that machine learning by feeding more data. So YouTube, let's say someone is watching videos about travel, so they will get your videos as a suggestion that, hey, there is another video, you can watch that. Or maybe someone searches some similar titles as your videos, so they will be getting your videos at the maybe top or second or third, something like that.
Okay.
And the more consistent we work, the more better results you get.
Okay. I like that. So like I said, because I know my channel, I have some good videos. Some of them are not that great,
Mhm.
but some of them are pretty well done and structured. So I think those will do well. But again, I don't know how to make them do well. That's why I've
Mm.
been listening to you.
Of course. Because I've been working with so many channels lately, so I basically know that how actually YouTube behaves sometimes. So yeah, that is something you can get from us. Of course, after this meeting, if we proceed, you will get my contact, so you know we will be in constant communication. In that case, whenever you're stuck into something, you can directly call me or ask me, so I'll be answering you and solving all your problems on behalf of you. So yeah, we can
Okay.
do that. And we can also search sometimes maybe trending niches and Google Trends and all these, so to find that what are the current interests of our audience, and then we will make content according to that. We can do that. We can sometimes make strategies. Or maybe I'm seeing one of your videos and I'm seeing, hey, this part of editing is not very good, we can do it like this or something like that. Yeah, we can do that.
Okay. And you said about 6 weeks we'll start seeing the videos, the 10 videos we choose, they'll start growing, and
No, they are
people
gone.
start seeing them.
It's not like that. Okay.
Oh, okay.
SEO usually takes some times, but
Okay.
usually once we do it consistently, it shows its result. The result starts to show within 6 to 8 weeks. Okay.
Okay.
Then I have said already, SEO is a constant thing. More we
Right.
optimize, at the later stage, it gets more compound effect.
Okay.
So yeah, we
And
can do
and
that.
okay, and what would be our first steps then?
Our first steps will be, it's up to you, that we have some packages that we can offer you. You can choose any of those packages which is convenient for you. Then you can select one, and with that packages range, we will afford the we will just make a strategy. Let's say we're choosing a monthly package. So what we'll do in monthly package, that includes 30 videos. Hold on. Um, Sorry, it's very cold here and I got cough. So
That's okay.
yeah. So yeah. So we will get 30 videos. We will start working on them. We will split the videos as I have told you before, and we will start working. And yeah, once we do that thing, we will see the results, how they're working and all, and then we start. And once we are done optimizing the thing, we will start the second batch. Let's say we do another 30 videos, and this time we will be more confident, we will have more data to feed in, because now we will know that how the audience is behaving. So yeah, it works like that. More time we pass, more better results we get.
Okay.
And also we have to keep, I'm being frank with you, only SEO is not going to work. We have to also focus on how your video is, how can we improve the quality, maybe what are our audience choice, what are they liking, all these things are also important. So yeah, we have to do that.
Okay. That's like I've been trying to work on making my videos, where I'm not going like, and wasting time, trying to have my notes where I can see them in the background and talk and speak consistently, and pause at the right time, show the emotion, but not waste time, not put in extra fluff. So that has taken some practice for me to get used to, because I'm used to just rambling.
It will take time, even now, as English is not my first language, as you can see, I can understand everything, but sometimes I'm getting stuck. So this thing will happen. Eventually, by time to time, we will be improving ourselves. As I can tell you that, I think few years back, when I'm in front of a client, I was like, hey, yeah, this is a video that maybe we're gonna be okay. So what? That is SEO. What is SEO? That is search engine optimization, like that only. And now you can see how I'm talking, how confident I am, and how I'm pitching myself, right? So it
Exactly.
comes with a time.
And you're very personable. That's what I like. You're very personable.
Yeah, of course. He'll always like me, all my clients says that. So yeah.
Okay.
So we have some package. Oh, if you have any questions, you can ask me always. You can ask me.
Okay.
I'm ready to
Okay.
answer.
Well, so let's say I go with you and I take the monthly package. And let's say do we go through and choose the videos that we think is going to do the best?
If you can do that, if you want to choose your videos, we can do that. But I would recommend you leave that part to us. Let us choose
Oh,
the
okay.
videos. So it will